This is a 2023 Hyundai Ioniq5 fully electric, protected for Halo Mini. So if a thief got this vehicle started, got your key in some way, went to drive off, it's just not going to go into gear. As you see, it goes into reverse, straight back into park, into drive, straight back into park. The vehicle's not going anywhere. So they get the ignition on, but it's just not going to select a gear. So if we pop our code in, we receive a flash from the hazards and we can select a gear and drive away. As soon as you turn the vehicle off, the system becomes active and the vehicle is going to need the code before it drives off. So as you see, next time you start the car, it's not going anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. We get our flash and we can drive away. If the customer wants to change their code, they can. You can do a minimum of 3 to a maximum of 21 presses on any supported buttons. And to do that, you don't need to start the car. So foot off the pedals, double tap to get the ignition on. First prove that it's you with the flash. Then we'll put our foot to the floor 10 times in the accelerator. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Receive a double flash. And now we'll just set up, up, down, down, up, up. We'll turn the ignition off. Our new code's now set. So if we start the car, you'll see it, obviously it doesn't go into gear because it's protected. We pop our old code in. That's not going to work because we've changed it. So up, up, down, down, up, up. Receive our flash. We can select a gear and drive away. If you're taking this vehicle for a service, taking it back to Hyundai, they'll want the system off. So what you do, so you keep your foot off the pedals, double tap the start button, then you'll pop your unique code in, totally unique to you, and on the last press you're going to keep the button held. So you'll see we get our 1 flash confirmation. We keep the button down until we get 5 flashes on the dash. That'll mean the service mode is active and Hyundai will be able to do what they need to do. It becomes a normal vehicle. So we turn it off, the system doesn't activate. We'll get in and out of the car, unlock it. They can drive it around. It's just a normal vehicle, go straight into gear, like there's no immobiliser fitted. Nice and simple, you don't need to worry about it. When you get it home, just remember to turn the system back on to make your vehicle secure again. So it's the same process, foot off the pedals, get the ignition on, pop your code in and hold on the last button of your push sequence so you get 1 flash. So keep it held so you get that. We can let go, turn the vehicle off, and you'll see the system activates instantly. So just to make sure when you get it home, try driving the vehicle without the code. You see it doesn't go anywhere, pop our code in, receive our flash, and you're good to go. This is the Halo Mini on a 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.